everyone, this is Mr. P, and today I'm going to be showing you a quick way to, a quick place to get some quick stamina mushrooms and endura mushrooms. I believe there are around 10 total in this area. So where I am is at the, okay, it doesn't say the name, but I'm over here. So if I zoom out, you'll see that I'm near Gerudo, the Gerudo region. There is a shrine here. I don't know what it is. It's Mija Rookie Shrine from Washa's Bluff. Or you can travel here from Satori Mountain. Just keep on gliding down here. I got here by the Tamiyo River because I was just exploring to see what was down here. And there are quite some interesting things down here. I don't remember seeing many places like this in the game. So anyways, once you're here, just run around this general tree area and you should find around 10 of these. And everyone, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.